अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं बहुत ही आसान सा पनीर मसाला। रोटी के साथ, फुल्के के साथ या फिर नान के साथ डिनर टाइम पे बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। पहले पनीर को फ्राई कर लेते हैं। एक कढ़ाई में थोड़ा सा तेल ऐड करके उसको गरम कर लीजिए। Once the oil is hot, add the paneer pieces and fry them till light brown. I have taken 200 grams of paneer. The paneer is nicely done. Switch off the flame, remove to a plate and keep aside. You can reduce the oil in the same kadai, or you can take 3 tablespoons of oil in a new pan. Heat the oil. When the oil becomes hot, add 1 bay leaf and 1 each of cardamom, cinnamon and cloves and half a teaspoon of zeera. Saute for a few seconds and then add 1 large onion chopped. Saute till golden brown. When the onions are nice and browned, add 3/4 teaspoon of garlic paste and half a teaspoon of ginger paste and saute till the raw smell goes. When the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes, add 3 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped. Saute the tomatoes till they are nice and soft. Now take a 1/4 cup of curd in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 3/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon zeera powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix well and add that to the tomato paste. Now mix well and saute till it comes to a boil. Add half a glass of water to the bowl and rinse it out and add that to the gravy as well. Mix well, cover and let it cook till the oil leaves the sides. Keep the flame on medium and check after 5 minutes. Once the oil has left the sides, add the fried paneer, mix well and leave on dum for 5 minutes. Now add a tablespoon of crushed Kasuri methi and half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix well and leave it on dum again for another 2 minutes. This is 2 minutes later. Paneer masala is nicely done and ready to serve. Aasaan sa paneer masala is now ready. Garnish with green chillies and coriander leaves. Do try it out. Ingredients, as always, mentioned in the description box. Goes very well with rotis, pulkas and naans. Do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.